This is Nairobi here. So I'm at the beauty enhancement hub, and I'm at a very local location right now, trying to set up a beauty hub. So here is our backdrop for advertisement. So I'll be showing you a tour on some of the things I have for now. I'm still trying to set up, gradually. So, but I'll just show you what I've been able to do within the past. I came here in May, so this is September. So, let's say May, June, July, August, September. That's 5 months already. So here is some of the things I've been able to just set up for now. As time goes on, I'll be adding 1 or 2 things to set up properly. Hi everyone, so I'm doing a room tour of my new apartment. So here is my makeup training stand. I'm in a very local environment, so we're just trying to make it as African as possible. So here are some of the products that I have. Over here I have all my cleansing tissue, wipes, cotton wool and the rest. Over here I have all the liquids, where we have foundation, concealers, anything liquid, face setting spray. Then over here I have my blush, high blushes. I also have the eyeshadow. I also have eyeshadow palettes here, some eyeshadow palettes here, a mirror. This is where I keep my powders, bronzer, setting powder. And over here I have foundation, lip glosses, and very few other things. So here I have my brushes, as you can see. Then over here I have a makeshift makeup stand. I built this from scratch, and I also made use of some of my scraps from mirrors. I got this mirror from my cousin. She owns a fashion house, so this is like a broken mirror. I was able to form this shape, and I used like an old fabric to just create something to cover the sharp edges. So here are some of the things. Over here I have my cleansing bowl, where I have my face wipes, cotton buds, cotton wool. Then I also have brushes here, fluffy brushes for makeup. Then in this place I have some makeup products. These are brow gels, eyebrow gels. I have lashes here. I have some eyeshadow, eyeliner. I also have some few colors of blushes, as you can see. Blush over here. I also have a bronzer. I have some shine powders, setting powders, and press powders. Then I also have some foundation, concealer, and very few. I also have a lip scrub, which is from my brand. I have some lip glosses also. I actually make them. I formulate lip glosses of different colors. So here is it. So let's go to here. Over here I have this is my hairstyling unit, where I'll be doing some hairstyling, tonguing, wigs, vamping wigs. So here are my mannequins, as you can see. I'm also using them for brand advertisements. So here are my styling mannequins that I use to style. Then over here I have some nail products for making nail. So here is our banner for advertisements. Our beauty enhancement hub, we do training, relaxation and wellness. This area is our reception, where we, and also our hub space. products for sale, fashion items, tops, trendy classic tops, suits, blazers. We also have leggings, blouses. Then let me show you, I have some vintage scarves for sale, different colors. See them. Also have shoes, very few shoes. And we have eyeglasses, IBS, eyeglasses. So over here I have some beauty products like wigs, beauty kits for travel girlies, where like if you want to make a quick trip. So this travel bag or this travel beauty kit actually has so many items inside. This sells for, I have so many items from what they call it now, Fungin travel size, Fungin machine, straightener, sorry, top scraper, beauty blender, eyelashes, a set of eyelashes, as you can see. We also have the fragrances inside, like fragrance, body spray, so many items, lip glosses, what they call this thing again, several beauty blades, soaps, hairbrush, mirrors, everything that you might need on a trip. We also have the small size here, like packaged, lip balms, lip glosses, facial wipes, everything you can name it that you're needing on a trip. So here is the full package of it. So over here I have some jewelry pieces, some are already packaged. Jewelry pieces, bangles, chunky necklaces and chains, minimally jewelries, bangles, necklaces, black jewelry, bracelets, carpet chain, different types. So here we also have bangles. I don't want to open the bangles. We also have long pieces of chains. So over here we have lip glosses. We're still building a different, what they call it now, colors. For now we have this is a lip changing lip gloss. Then we also have some clear lip glosses, and some essential oils, lavender essential oil, and they have shimmer in it. Alright, so these are just some of the pieces. Then we also have some silver collection like gemstones, gem pieces, jewelry pieces for the cool tones, silver jewelries that you can rock for any events, gemstones, some brooches, butterfly brooch that you can use on your blazers.